Are you looking for Greek lessons this fall? Do you like learning with others? Join our small group online Greek classes. Together we'll make you understand real Greek. We'll boost your vocabulary. We'll make you acquire this crazy grammar in a fun way. We'll make you a Greek speaker with confidence. 12 weeks, 18 hours, 3 to 6 people. With us you learn real Greek and you get involved in the language through real life situations. You understand fast Greek. It's time for you to understand the local way of speaking without being frustrated. You speak Greek naturally. Stop thinking in your language and start thinking in Greek. Be immersed in Greek. Start behaving like you live here with us. Text me now and book a free meeting with me to talk about your goals and to evaluate your level. Our first cycle starts in October. Subscribe till October 1 and get our early bird discount. Σε περιμένω!